API3 is a platform launched in December 2020 that enables blockchain-based decentralized applications, also known as dApps, to access the world's data and services via standard APIs. Developers will be able to utilize real-world data through pre-built plug-and-play interfaces, which can be used for accessing certain types of information like location or payment details, without needing external servers or middlemen. In case you do not understand what APIs are, let me explain that a little. APIs, also known as application programming interfaces or protocols, that enable the transfer of data and services between applications in a well-documented format. For example, cryptocurrency exchanges use an API from CoinMarketCap so they can provide updated market information on their website or mobile app without having it come directly to the platform. Another example is, if you are looking to attach a cryptocurrency payment gateway to your e-commerce website, you will probably attach an API from Coinbase or CoinPayment. This API will give you easy integration access to collect cryptocurrency for your business through your website. So, what problem is API3 trying to solve? dApps are becoming more and more popular, but there is a problem developing around how to integrate them with existing technology. Blockchains were built for different APIs than traditional ones used in cloud services or data centers, so they have trouble communicating between the two. This issue has been called the Oracle problem. Since most dApps are operated via smart contracts, invalid data can lead to disastrous downstream consequences. Especially in financial services such as lending or trading, these corrupted data imports could raise a significant threat to users' assets and more. Therefore, there is a pressing need for a trustable way to import data. So how is API3 trying to solve that problem? The fact is that providing accurate external data to on-chain environments is an essential element for creating powerful decentralized apps, platforms, and marketplaces. Therefore, API3 believes that, by building decentralized APIs or DAPIs, API3 has made it easier to take non-blockchain data and import it onto the blockchain. This means that developers won't have to pay a gatekeeper company or use proprietary technology for their application's data to be compatible with blockchains. API3's unique Oracle nodes are hosted by the API providers themselves. This provides a different experience from other third-party oracles because it creates direct relationships and allows for greater autonomy of data sources. The process to create these first-party nodes is called AirNode technology, which uses smart contracts on Ethereum to turn APIs into DAPIs. Furthermore, DAPIs are more secure and cost-efficient than other solutions that use middlemen. With first-party oracles, they can be trusted to provide data accurately as well as protect API providers from being taken advantage of by shady third parties. And the token at the center of this process is the API3 token. Before we look into the API3 token, if you have not liked this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Now let's quickly look into three important features of the API3. First is the beacons. Beacons allow smart contract developers to connect Web3 applications to continuously updated streams of off-chain data, such as the latest cryptocurrency, stock, and commodities prices. Operated by the market's most trusted and reliable data providers, beacons are a transparent, cost-efficient, and scalable way for smart contracts to interact with the off-chain data they need. Second is the API3 Alliance. Web3 is the biggest growth opportunity for businesses since the World Wide Web. But it's been difficult for traditional businesses to access. The API3 Alliance changes that. The API3 team believes that by joining the API3 Alliance, you will be part of the next iteration of the internet before it gets crowded. And the third is AirNode. Blockchain-based Web3 applications have been limited by their inability to use real-world data and services. AirNode is the standardized API connectivity protocol that solves the Web3 accessibility problem. It is open source and effortless. AirNode is the easy path to Web3. They believe that AirNode is Web3 middleware that connects web APIs directly to smart contracts. Now let's round this up by looking into the API3 token. The native utility token of API3 is the API3 token. This currency can be used to pay for subscription fees on dApps and also grants users access to AirNodes, which are part of a decentralized network that provides APIs required by developers. Using the API3 token, all community members will be able to participate in governing and increasing the value of their decentralized network. The project incentivizes participation by paying out staking rewards and inflationary rewards for those who stake their tokens in the insurance contract. Let's highlight the API3 token use cases. Staking reward. API3 holders when staking will receive DAPI revenue and inflation rewards. Collateral. An insurance service that protects users from DAPI failures by sharing risks with everyone to minimize losses. Governance. API3 holders have the right to vote to change API3 parameters and features. API3 has a total supply of about 111 million, with a market cap of about $319 million and a current price of around $6. API3 is founded by Burak Binligere and Heikki Vantanen, and the project is currently providing services for some major players such as FTX, X Machina, and CoinRanking. Many people think that API3 is trying to be Chainlink's killer. However, Chainlink isn't doing anything to transition to first-party oracles. Therefore, API3 is still having a lot of room to grow as their approaches are different. Kindly note that this is not financial advice, therefore do your research. Let us know what you think about API3 in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification so that you can get notified each time we post an exciting video. We have so many interesting projects coming. See you next time.